sir, myself Abdul Gaffar. I am from Vijayawada. I came with the reference of Khaja sir. He's the lecturer in DevOps, and currently I have placed in the company Vsoft with the package of 2.4, and my role is SQL developer. With the help of Abdullah sir, I have learned so many skills like in full stack. I have skilled in Angular and JavaScript and Python, and mostly I have full knowledge on full stack. But currently I have got the job in SQL developer, and thanks to Abdullah sir, he guide me well in all the aspects, not only in studies but also to concentrate and to how to study, and he also motivate so much to me. I am from middle class family, but my father get very happy when I told him I got selected in some software company. He thankful to God, and he suggested to me to refer your friends also to join us. Just I follow the rules of Abdullah sir, what I have to study and what I have to be prepared in the interview. I have attended first interview in Angular, but I have placed in the second interview as a SQL developer. Basically, this is Angular. This is SQL interview. No, I mostly my skills required in SQL and basics of PL/SQL. The training is good, and also the way of teaching of our SARS is very excellent, and also the junior faculty will they support us in some problem solving questions like that. I will give my father some of the salary. Be confident, and you have to enter in a software company with full skill, but not enter with half knowledge. Basically, I have so many friends, they are not working, they are looking for the job, but I will refer them to join in our Quality Thought Institute. I don't expect much as a manager, but I will see my position as a TL. Thanks for providing this opportunity for Quality Thought, and also Khaja sir. With the reference of the Khaja sir only, I have came this too far, and also special thanks for Abdullah sir, who guides me very well in studies also and in real life also. Thank you so much.